Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing two products from Glorious. On my left will be the Glorious grip tape. Hold up. On the right, of course you're not blind, is the Model O wireless. Now, it only comes with two color options, black and white, and the finish will be matte. They're not gonna, I don't know if they're gonna come out with the glossy one, but I could not resist. For $80, you get yourself a wireless mouse with the battery life, I think with the RGBs off, will be 71, which that is amazing. Another thing that what I wanted to try with this mouse is because to the left side is the Glorious grip tape. Now, they only have the grip tape available for the Model O, but the good news is that they're going to come out with the grip tapes for the Model O minus and the Model D and the Model D minus. But what really interests me is that now, since they came out with the wireless version of the Model O, I know for sure they're going to come out with a Model D wireless. So I'm really excited about future products that maybe might come out from Glorious. But for now, we're going to test out this puppy right here. So for the grip tapes, they sell for $10. And again, you only get it from the Model O. So let's unbox the important part and let's put this to the side. So let's open up the baby right here. At the back of the box, it gives you more information, the dimensions, and the sensor it uses, which I like it. I actually started cracking up before I did the unboxing. And the DPI on this is nuts, 19K DPI, 69 milligrams. So, and thank God, oh my God, USB-C is about time. So let's open this baby up. And the reason why I cover this up because the serial number, all that stuff is I like to register and all that stuff. So let's open it up. La 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 la. Here we go. Okay. Ooh. So the mouse itself. So right here you got the on and on switch, your DPI indicator, USB-C connector, left click, right click, DPI changer. Ooh, the scroll wheel. Oh my God, I'm really. Ooh, that shit is really smooth. Hold on, let me compare with the other Model O that I have, the white matte wired. Oh, the scroll wheels on this is way much more better. Let's go a quick sound test. Stand by. We're gonna test out the side buttons. Ooh. That is interesting on side buttons. Hold on, let me do a comparison with the wired version. Okay, so it's almost like kind of identical. But this one, I don't know, it's just me. I think this one's better, but I could be wrong, or maybe I'm excited that I got this mouse today. So what else that comes in the box? Ooh, comes this nice dock right here. Ooh, this is, and it's rubberized. That's awesome. Ooh, that's nice. So here you go, the wireless receiver, the dock itself, which is nice and rubberized. It's not going to go nowhere. Look at that. That thing is not going nowhere. I like that. That thing is not going nowhere. And the last thing, the braided cable. Ooh, okay. I kind of like this. That is an orange connector, represent the Glorious color. And at the other end of it is the USB-C. Awesome. Also over here, you got stickers, user guide, warranty information that no one really cares about. Okay, so let's put this back. And I'm gonna take my time taking this thing apart to get ready to connect to the computer. So then now as well, I cannot wait to put grip on this. So I was thinking about putting grips on the side over here, and also like right here, if I can grip the mouse more. So I'm really excited about it. Oh yeah, don't forget to peel this off. And the feet they use as well is PTFE feet. You can also upgrade to the other ones as well. I forgot which one was that. It looks like a chrome finish at the bottom. If you want like really fast feet, then you go with those. But you want to stay with something that consistent and control, I'm definitely sticking with this. I am going to try the new Glorious mouse mats. The 5 one, I'm really interested to try out myself. So stand by right here for a minute I gotta connect everything, set everything up, and we're gonna show you how it looks when it lights up and all that stuff. So please stand by. Finally, after minutes has gone by, I finally managed to put tape over here. I managed to take your time and just gently go like one side, because you will create bubbles, but once that happens, just try to flatten out and it will go away. By far, I really love this grip, and if they do come out with the Model D wireless, and I know they're going to come out with these grip tapes already, as I mentioned earlier, I'm definitely going to give it a shot. Now I kind of want to review this mouse again, because now I added these grips, and this is going to help me a lot more, because again, my hands do sweat and I do like a good grip, and I know I'm not going to have that issue hitting the side buttons, so this is going to be great. So this is the end of the video. Any questions you guys have, you know what to do. You answer those questions down in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, be safe out there. Don't forget to wear your mask, and I'll talk to you guys later. Remember, kids don't do drugs.